Joe! Tian! Come back! Deliveries!
Well, that was fun. Time to go home.
Joe, aren't you forgetting your deliveries?
That's right. Wait here.
Bye-bye, Joe. Bye.
Here, a bucket.
Joe, that bucket has a flower in it.
Huh?
That bucket has a flower in it.
Flower.
Yes, it does have a flower in it.
Hey, hurry back up.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing. But there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
No, Joe. You put sand in the bucket with a spade.
Oh, wait here. Oh. Here, a spade.
Joe.
No, Joe. You're thick.
Too thick?
Yeah.
I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say, Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Now we're going to make a sandcastle.
Hands up. Hands up. I couldn't.
Can you give me a high five? Yeah.
I couldn't.
My next delivery is for you. What do you mean, no? It's a new bed. It's very comfortable. I'll show you. See?
Is Joe asleep?
I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy,
Dizzy,
Dazzy, Day. You did the magic.
Good job. Good job, Joey.
This is a much better bed. Come here, Martin the sheep. we have some food for you. Bananas.
Banana.
You don't eat bananas? Oh, I love bananas. Oh.
Dizzy?
I prefer bananas. There you are, Ozzy. I remembered. I've a delivery for you. Wait here. Here, a crown.
That is too small.
You look a bit silly.
Let's love sign. Silly. Silly. You sign. Silly. Good. Silly.
I like being silly. Oh, don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Look at all these amazing costumes!
Like this.
I've another delivery for you. Wait here.
Is this okay? Can I be the Chicken King?
Yes!
You can be the Chicken
King!
Yes! That makes me happy! Ha ha!
Guys, perfect job!
Well, here we are at the Sports Centre.
Jump!
There you are.
Yeah.
Hello, Casper.
Hello.
Hello, Joe. I'm Trina.
Hello, Trina. Casper, do you like to run?
Yes.
We should have a race.
Mm-hmm.
I think I will win.
I will win.
Oh.
Yes.
No, I will win.
I will win now.
Ready, steady, go! I'm tired. Let's play a match. I have no tennis racket. My delivery! Wait here!
It's open.
I can... We could play a game of football. Wow! Look at this. I'm hungry.
Hello.
I'm hungry.
I can make you a sandwich. Do you like cheese?
I love cheese.
But I'm wearing the wrong apron. I'm waiting on a delivery for a new apron.
Wait here. A beautiful red apron.
That's mine.
Now, can I have my sandwich?
Yes. Thank you.
I love cheese.
Hello again. We've come to give you some money.
Sorry, the till is broken. I'm waiting on a delivery.
Delivery?
This is gonna be...
No, that's a toy.
A toy? Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
till is working again.
You did the magic, Jack.
Thank you, Jack.
Well, I nearly fell off the trolley, and then you pushed me into the milk one anyway. Well, we've had a great day, but now it's time to go. We've got more deliveries to make. Thank you, Jack. Thank you, Clara, and Kira. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.